Today we're going to be switching things up a little bit and we're going to be making our entire cocktail in a mason jar. I'm going to show you guys how to make a Raspberry Gin Mojito. Let's go!
Is your body ready?
Let's take a look at what you're going to need to make this cocktail. You're going to want raspberry muddled gin, tequila, simple syrup, club soda, 10 mint leaves, a mint sprig, a lime, and today's vessel of choice, a mason jar. And now, it's time to freak out!
Shit!
With your ingredients, first you're gonna want 3 ounces of your raspberry muddled gin. Okay, oh my god. Then you're gonna want 1/4 ounce of tequila. Next, you're gonna want a full ounce of simple syrup. Okay, now after that, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna grab our 10 mint leaves and we're just gonna drop them in the mason jar. Okay, I'm gonna get this on the side. Now, you wanna grab your lime and you're gonna cut it in half, okay? What you're gonna do is, you're gonna squeeze one of the halves of your lime into the mason jar. Hold on, there's a lot going on here. I'll bring this over. So you're gonna squeeze in that lime to get some fresh lime juice in there. Okay? Make sure you get all those juices out. Sweet. Now you're gonna grab the other half of that lime and you're gonna cut a few small wedges into it. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to be wedges. We're not picky because we're making cocktails at home. Let's get a few wedges in there. These are like the worst wedges. Don't judge me. I'm pretty sure you guys can make 10 times better wedges than me. Oh my god, that one was bad. You're gonna drop those wedges into your mason jar. Okay? Get this on the side, quickly wash my hand. Now we're just gonna throw in some ice cubes for our mason jar. So since we're dealing with like a medium to small size jar, 5 ice cubes will get the job done. You don't need to go overboard with it, so let's do 1. I'm using my hands, they're clean, don't worry. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now this is where the real work comes into play. We're gonna have to shake this jar vigorously to get it all mixed together and hopefully crush the ice as well. So let's get this guy sealed up. Small jar. And shake off some demons. Whew, that's a little different. You know, I'm not used to having such a small container for my drink, but not bad. Not bad at all. I like this. So if you feel the jar get a bit cold, you're in the right place. You know, you're doing the right thing. It's nicely cooled. And now we just add the final ingredient, which is a top off of club soda. Okay. Perfect. Now what I'm just gonna do is quickly give it a little stir so that the club soda mixes through. Perfect. Lastly, what we're gonna do for our garnish is we're gonna take that mint sprig and we're gonna sit it neatly on the top of our mason jar. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, I love it. And just like that, our Raspberry Gin Mojito is complete. Now, it's time for our taste rating to see just what we're dealing with. I kinda wanna leave the garnish in so I can feel fancy, but I will give it a nice little stir, get all those flavors mixed in. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on now. Simple to make, literally in seconds. You throw everything in, shake it, and you're good to go. This cocktail has a good package of your club soda for that fizz, a little secret drip of tequila for power, the raspberry muddled gin for that flavor, a little simple syrup for some sweetness, and that lime for the zest. You got yourself everything you need for a refreshing summer in the winter cocktail that'll have you buzzing and feeling super social. But don't take my word for it. You take a sip and love life. You know the drill. You like my videos, you like the content I'm pumping out, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and tell your friends to come through and check out my brews. But I'm gonna take one more sip of this drink because it's refreshing AF. Ooh, that lime definitely hits you, eh? Ow! Woo! Hell yeah. Honestly, you guys should try it. If you want something with flavor, but it's not too sweet, not too bitter, not too overbearing, this is what you need. This is the middleman drink. This is like your vitamin water with a little flavor to it. I don't know if that's a good comparison, but anyway, I'll see you for my next cocktail. And remember, subscribe.